Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn a neat and precise embroidery border technique using graph paper because this method helps keep your work clean, balanced, and professional. First, cut the exact size of the design you need from the graph paper using scissors, then place it on the fabric and secure it with 2 pins so it does not move while working. After that, use a heat erasable pen or a regular pencil to mark small dots on the fabric because these dots will guide you during stitching and make the design much easier to follow. For this embroidery, I am using 6 strands of embroidery floss, and I always start stitching from the center line because starting from the middle helps keep the design symmetrical and well balanced. You can choose any color you like based on your personal style, and you can also mix different shades to make your work more creative and unique. This stitch has many beautiful uses. You can use it on sleeve edges, around the waistline of a dress, or along the neckline. It is also perfect for decorating the borders of handkerchiefs, table runners, placemats, and even embroidery wall art. If you are a beginner, do not worry if your stitching feels slow at first, because embroidery is a skill that improves with practice, and every piece you create will be better than the previous one. Take your time, enjoy the process, and allow embroidery to become a calm and creative part of your day. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss future embroidery tutorials and creative ideas. Thank you for your support.